What's going on, guys? Welcome back to World GT Auto. It's been some time. We've been busy with our new facility, getting everything together, but we'll get some more content out. We have some cool stuff coming in. Here, for an example, we have the F8 Ferrari that came in for some detailing, some maintenance work, and as well as it's got some crazy upgrades, lowering suspension, crazy wheels on it. It's got the three-piece wheels that's on this thing. We had to remove completely to get it reshined and polished, and as well as did a full service on this car. You don't see a lot of these F8s. I mean, they're rare. It is a 700 horsepower Ferrari, so you don't see much. These HRE wheels, they're a three-piece custom wheels. We did have to take them all apart, do a full polish on it. The chrome was getting dulled out with the road debris, as well as road contamination and stuff like that. So it did need a good polish on it. Check out the interior on this thing. Beautiful interior. Like I said, the F8s, you don't see a lot of them out there. And if they do come in, they're pretty much sold right away. We did a full interior detail on this one as well. Did the full exterior polish, engine bay, the whole maintenance package on it. It's ready. Got the tints removed. The customer has actually sold, so the customer wanted the stuff done to it, and we got the full car ready for delivery. One of the important factors about these vehicles is you gotta put these cars in a trickle charger. If you're not driving it for some time or if you're going away, it's very important. You gotta plug these things in, as I have it plugged in here. If you're going away for some time and you know the car is gonna be sitting, it is important. Get the trickle charger on. You're gonna save tons and tons of money, and if they do die, you gotta reset the batteries. You gotta do a whole bunch of different procedure to get it back on the road with no lights on the dash. So it is very important to keep the battery health on these things up to date, and as well as you want to keep it maintained on time. Once a year, you know, you do your full maintenance and inspection. One of the other things we noticed on this vehicle, when the customer purchased it, the original owner, they never did a PPF. And I keep telling you guys how important it is to get these cars PPF'd, as you'll see it's got little small chips here and there, but now that it's been through the paint, it's not much you can do. You got to repaint it, or you can get a cool thing we got going on now is a color PPF, which we can exactly match the same color as the car and do a full body PPF on it, which will hide it. But essentially what you want to do is when you buy these cars, you want to get the full body PPF from the get-go, so you're good for 10 years plus and you don't have to worry about it. We got some cool cars coming in, some more content coming in for you guys. If you guys like stuff like this, it's educational about the exotic cars and all the work that's getting done here at World GT Auto. Subscribe, comment, and we'll see you till next time. Take care.